Good morning, and thank you for inviting me to participate in the final event of the Harmony project. Unfortunately, I'm not able to join you in Barcelona today. Before I start, I would like to congratulate and thank all the consortium members for all the hard work that they have put into the Harmony project, and also for all the high quality delivery they have produced. In the next few minutes, I'll give a brief overview on the EU policies that are driving transition in the transport sector, and also how research projects have a crucial role to play in this transition. We are on a mission towards climate neutrality, and we already have more than 100 cities that have committed to this goal by 2030. The European Green Deal sets clear targets to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions in the transport sector by 90% until 2050. The Fit for 55 package, it looks intermediate steps, which means we need to achieve a reduction of 55% by 2030 already. The Commission has put in place two important documents in terms of the urban mobility aspects. First, the Sustainable and Smart Mobility Strategy, and the new urban mobility framework, which helps to implement that strategy. From these documents, I would like to mention four priority actions which are very related to the work that has been carried out by Harmony. First, the Commission wants to ensure that all large and medium-sized cities, which are part of the urban nodes of TEN-T network, have an SUMP in place by 2030. With the new regulation of TEN-T, there are 424 urban nodes now, and which means that all cities with more than 100,000 inhabitants will have an SUMP in place. In addition, we want to make sure that the freight dimension is considered to dedicated SULPs. And of course, we want to help cities. We want to make sure that they have policy toolbox that are fit for purpose and that can help them to decarbonize. This policy toolbox should also include complementary tools for the planning on the transport sector and to ensure that systematic aspects of mobility, energy, and sustainability are considered. The Commission is also aware of the challenges that this entails and has put in place a reformed expert group on urban mobility, which aims to support this transition, designing and implementing the new urban mobility framework. These working groups, there are 6 specific subgroups that are there, and I will invite you to look at them and to see which ones could be more interesting for you. Now let's talk about research. Of course, research and innovation are crucial to support this transition. And Harmony is a great example on how these projects can help to test and implement new solutions in cities and metropolitan areas. These projects also bring the possibility to connect academia, industry, and cities, making more viable the solutions. And of course, provides the financing that can gap and bridge and reduce the risk of such innovations. To conclude, we need to revolutionize in the transport sector. And for that, we need to look at how we move and also why we move. So of course, it's really important that the links between land use and transport are taken into consideration from the planning phase. And here, the Harmony project can be a game changer in this transition towards sustainable transport planning. Because the Harmony model suite that is being developed, it combines the spatial with the multimodal transport modeling. And it also considers all the emerging technologies, such as autonomous vehicles and drones, and how these can fit into the ecosystem. I'm super excited to see the final results of the Harmony project, and I wish you to enjoy this great program prepared for you, and that you leave this final event with a clear view on how the outcomes of the Harmony project will help you to support the Commission and also to support this transition towards the climate neutrality in European cities. Thank you.